right, chop heads. It's the Jolly Butcher with another amazing unboxing video. So remember to smash that like button and hit the bell so that you get updated on this killer content. We're going to check out a really cool box from our friend, the Horoscope Killer. All right, whew. Let's take a look at this bad boy. So this is from the Horoscope Killer, my friend over the West Coast. Great guy, a little weird. I am not sure how he got this through the postage, but he's a wily fella. Some carvings and viscera. All right, what do we got in here? This is a ceremonial dagger. It's amazing craftsmanship. Sharp. It's really good for, summoning our otherworld beasts. Little fiend gluey me glue-noth Cthulhu. Right? HK, you shouldn't have. He got me my own Necronomicon. You know how hard it is to come by these things? Yeah, let them do all the work. Latin is such a beautiful language. It's a glove with knives. Not very practical. I wouldn't recommend in your dreams. All right. Looks like someone might have a little bit of mommy issues. Here's Jolly. You get it? Because it's like the axe from the. Okay. Limbs are like butter with this stuff. Like, oh my God, this whole box, honestly, you outdid yourself, HK. Because hold that thought. I gotta deal with a little guest that I have in the back.
Oh my God. If anyone is out there, please send help. Please tell my mom that I love her and that I'm sorry. And I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. And while we're here, if from a victim's point of view, this really wasn't that bad. This went clean through. I didn't even feel this.
I know, right?
Oh God.
Yeah. I mean, if you gotta go, honestly, it's not so bad. I didn't even see it coming.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know if you remember, but the guy before us, he was going through a butcher knife phase and it just was a mess. It took forever. This would have looked way different, Hey. Oh God. Okay, I gotta go.
I do not suggest using simple ropes to bind your victims, because if you get good ones, which you will, they will get out of them. Chains or bust. But I think that is all that we have for today, unfortunately. But make sure you subscribe to your favorite serial killer, the Jolly Butcher, because I'll have some really cool content coming for you. See you next time, Chopheads. All right, it's time for you all to tell these lovely people who were sponsored by you first.
Squarespace. You can make great websites. If I had a body, it would be a snap.
Who else?
Skillshare. Skillshare. You should go to Skillshare. They'll teach you how to dismember bodies.
Remember to support our sponsors and use the offer code JOLLY to get 10% off your first purchase. Thanks.
Oh, I get it.